Alright guys, here we are just out looking for places to put swarm traps. I just got back from about a 10-minute hike. As you can see, there's a honeybee. She's cleaning her legs off, getting ready to leave. When I first walked up, she was over here in this honey. Give you an explanation of what I do. I'm up here on top of a mountain. I'll give you a quick view of where I'm at. I was hiking down that trail right there. Up here on the very tip top of a mountain. I'm at a dead end of a road up here, paved road. It's about 3 miles up the road to the dead end. And I thought, well, we're just going to try. This is a new location. We're going to see what we got. So when I got out of the vehicle, I scratched the caps off the honey and stood here for about 20-30 seconds just waving it in the air. There's a little breeze blowing this way about 5 miles an hour, blowing into the trees that way. Now whether she was just flying by and smelt it and stopped or what, I do not know because I wasn't here, but I'm gonna stand here till she takes off and see which direction she goes, because there's a couple of trees down this way that's big enough to have a bee tree in it. I saw a couple of knots as I was walking back up the trail. I haven't walked that trail yet, I'm thinking about it. But I thought I did hear some bees fly by me as I was walking this trail. But anyway, that's just a quick tip on finding feral colonies, because I do not know of any beekeepers in this local area other than me. This is on my way to one of my outyards, which is about 5 miles from this location. I'm not going to point out which area in case somebody sees the video and knows this area. And that way they'll have, oh, dang it. And I missed her when she left. Nope, there she is. She's still on there. That girl's taking forever. I'm going to have to try a different way to get her to leave. But if you're wanting to find feral bees, this is one of the many different ways I use to attract bees to my location. And then I can beeline them and find the bee tree if I so desire. But I'm after the feral colonies because my personal opinion is they've got it figured out. Every feral colony that I collected last year in swarm traps are still alive. Every one of them made it through the winter. Thanks for watching Woolly Bees. Enjoy your day. Enjoy your beekeeping. It's 28th of February and it's 72 degrees, headed to 77. So it's a good day to be out checking bees. Have a great day.